Yo, okay, Owens, like it. So, here I am again with another one. So, let's get it. You know, ne, what they don't tell us that we come from strength, from people who had nothing that made something, from the streets that taught us ne, how to survive, even when life didn't give us any direction and didn't give us any sort of maps, routes. We came from the streets, ne? We came from hardships and a lot of adversities, but still we are standing, still we are managing, and still ne, we are giving our best. Our forefathers ne, in the previous generation ne, they still made something out of nothing. So tell me ne, why do we always ne, have the excuses? We now ne, are in a better position than they were years ago. So I believe in us, there is strength. There is a way and a manner to make it happen for us. Like if you think about it, if you deeply think about it, our mothers and fathers, they don't have it easy like we do now. We have so many opportunities, like and we have so many resources, and the thing is, we have so many outlets. Like we college, we have a voice. So why do we always want to keep quiet? Why do we always want to stay in the shadows of other people? I would say other races like the whites and the blacks. Like we have legacy. We have so much. We have so much culture. We have so much. I would say new energies in life. We love like and we love art. Like and we are unique. So I'm always wondering why are we always so reserved? Like vir my ek sal sê daar's geen lekker mens as 'n quality. Yeah, even though we have our problems and we do have our negativities but still being colored is fucking just we know it and we know this. And I always get mad and frustrated when we like hold ourselves back, man. Let's express ourselves, man. Let's express ourselves. Let's show the world who we are and what we can bring. Like die party by ons is altyd lekker. Ons weet dit. But anyways like I was saying, being colored ain't confusing. No, it's legacy. It's legacy. It's rhythm. It's resilience. It's stories that have never been written down, but still lives within us. We joke and we fight. And again, obviously, we love hard. We love a lot. We always like to give love. But most of all, most importantly is that we always endure. Like I said, our the previous generation, they endured. They've put in the hard work so that we can live now in peace. That we can live now in the way that we want to live. Years back they didn't have any options, no choice. It's either go to work or finish school. And even after finishing school they go to work. They did not have the luxuries of going to college, going to university, starting their own businesses, doing things like this. They didn't have that luxury, but we do have it. We do have this luxury. So why, again, why are we wasting time? Why are we so doubtful of ourselves? Like they gave everything years back so that we can be expressive. And trust me, let's be confident, man. Let's be expressive. For too long, we have been told that we ain't enough. We ain't white enough. And we ain't black enough. But nah, we are enough. We are real. We came from people who stood strong even when the world told them to stay quiet. So don't ever feel small. Don't ever doubt your fire. What's in your blood? That's power. Use it, build with it, and rise. We are not broken and we are not different. We came from strength. And it's time that the world see that again. This is for my people. Die is vir julle. Onthou ouens ja, soos ek altyd sê dat die lewe is teen ons. En regtig dit lyk asof niks gaan vir ons gebeur nie. Niemand gee ons support nie. Niemand staan saam met ons nie. Dit voel altyd ons is op ons eie. Ja, is right. Is wat dit is. Maar onthou jou agtergrond. Onthou kom jy sê van jou voorvaders en jou mense voor jou wat hulle vir jou gedoen het. Onthou, hulle het dit meer slegter gehad as ons nou. Maar onthou deur daai sleg het hulle geveg om te verseker dat ons nou in die oomblik ten minste daar 'n kans kan hê om te kan kom sê staan vir onsself en die kan veg vir onsself. En ons kan. En glo my boetas, dat gaan nie baie van jou vat nie. Of course dat gaan baie vat maar onthou, is alles in your mind. Jy weet wat jy kan doen. Jy weet wat jy kan bring. Dis obvious, ons almal weet. Maar van ons is maar net 'n bietjie bang om het te kan gaan wil doen. Ons is 'n bietjie bang. Alright, soms as dit maar net best as jy dit doen met 'n vrees. Dis wat dit is ook. Maar for real, maak jy die verskil, man. Staan jy op en wys vir almal wat kan jy bereik. En wys hulle hoe jy kan na nuwe hoogte styg. Rise up, ouens, man. Ek moet wys vir die wêreld wie ons is en wat ons kan bring.